Storybooks Canada. I'm going to show you how to use this website. For this website, you can change the language of the text to read it. So for example, if I have it in English, I can click on a book and I can listen to it read aloud in English.
I like to read.
And I can switch it between French and English. You can also change the language from the options on this list. Let's listen to Ukrainian. I can toggle between English and Ukrainian by clicking on this button here. When I listen to it, it will be in Ukrainian.
Мені подобається читати.
Scroll down and you'll get every image and page of the book. You can also click on the arrow here to go to the next page. To return, you can hit back to Stories list and go through all the other stories that are available. That's it.